SpaceX will once again send cargo to the International Space Station for NASA, but this time, the company is mainly using used hardware for the job. A Falcon 9 rocket that the company previously launched at the ISS in June will lift a used Dragon cargo capsule, full of supplies and scientific experiments for the station's equipment. It is the first time that SpaceX will fly a rocket used for one of its NASA refueling missions. SpaceX finally began to fly back its used rockets earlier this year, after years of landing the vehicles after launch. But so far, only a few of the company's commercial customers have stepped in and put their satellites on Falcon 9 rockets previously flown. Now, NASA has indicated that it is willing to fly on used SpaceX vehicles, a great backing for the company's reusable rocket technology. In the future, NASA says it will make the decision to fly rockets used for refueling missions on a case-by-case basis. This launch is also a great milestone for SpaceX because of the place where the mission takes off, the company's launch platform at the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, SLC-40. The site has been out of service since last September, after one of the SpaceX rockets exploded on the platform during a refueling procedure. Since then, the company has worked to rebuild the damaged site and even give it some improvements. SpaceX began most of the repairs in February and has spent about $50 million to fix the site, according to John Muratore, director of SpaceX at SLC-40. Today's mission will be the first time that SpaceX has flown from the site since the accident. And now that the platform is back in action, it paves the way for SpaceX to launch the company's next big rocket, the Falcon Heavy, a larger version of its Falcon 9 that includes 3 rocket cores. When SLC-40 was disconnected last year, SpaceX had to rely on its other platform in the Cape, a site called LC-39A at the NASA Kennedy Space Center, to launch all of its missions in Florida. SpaceX finally wants to launch the Falcon Heavy from 39A as well, but the pad needed some modifications first to accommodate the larger rocket. SpaceX could not fully focus on the 39A updates while repairs were made on SLC-40.